Today I want to take you back to Greece and I want to show you one of my favourite things to order at any taverna, especially a beach taverna. Now it's grilled octopus served on top of fava. I'm going to show you how to tenderize it and how to barbecue it so you've got the most succulent octopus. So I've got myself a fresh octopus here. It weighs about 1 kilo and I'm going to show you how to tenderize it. Normally it does come tenderized from your fishmonger, but I'm going to show you how to make it extra tender. Now you might think using kiwi fruit on octopus is a little bit strange, but let me tell you, it will guarantee the most succulent and tender result. The enzymes inside the green kiwi fruit specifically break down the proteins in the octopus and it'll taste amazing. Now the process is super simple. All we need to do is pour our grated kiwi fruit all over the octopus and massage it in. That is it. I'm going to let the octopus tenderize for up to 2 hours in the fridge. Now it really depends on how much your octopus weighs. If you're using a much smaller octopus or medium-sized one, I'd go half the time that I'm about to do today. So our octopus is tenderizing in the fridge. It's time to make the fava. Now I'm going to share with you my Yiayia Maria's recipe. So to begin, like any good recipe, we need a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. To that we're going to add half a brown onion and give that a bit of a saute. The next ingredient is carrot. Now carrot isn't so traditional in fava, but let me guarantee you it's Yiayia's secret and it's delicious. In we go with the carrot. Although my Yiayia always makes fava for us, I do always order it when I'm in Greece, specifically in Crete and Santorini, where it is a specialty on those islands. So I've been sauteing the onion and carrot for about 2 minutes now. It's time to go in with the yellow split peas. I've got 250 grams here. Now it's really important to wash and sort the yellow split peas because sometimes you can find little rocks in them. But we're going to go in now, all the way in. Give that a little mix. Salt and pepper. There we go. And 3 to 4 cups of water. All we have to do now is stir until we get a nice thick and creamy consistency as the yellow split peas dissolve. So the fava's been cooking for about half an hour now and you can see just how thick and creamy it is. It looks absolutely divine and this is the consistency we need to serve underneath our octopus. So we're going to let the fava cool here while we prepare the marinade for our octopus. Now for the octopus we need, of course, Greek extra virgin olive oil. Now you're measuring this with your heart. There we go. There's about, I want to say, just under 1/4 cup there. To that I'm going to add some sea salt. Pinch of Greek oregano, some red wine vinegar. I'm going to grate 1 clove of garlic and the juice of 1 lemon, because you can't have seafood without lemon. Go in with a little bit of pepper and just mix that through so we get a nice emulsion. We're going to pour this directly over the octopus after it's been barbecued. Give that a little taste. Perfect. So the octopus has been tenderizing in the fridge for a couple of hours, and I just want to show you how much more relaxed the tentacles are. So that's a great indication that it's ready to wash, cut and throw on the barbecue. So our octopus has just come off the barbecue and we're going to pour over that delicious marinade all over. Oh, it looks amazing. Let that soak in for a while. Let's put the fava onto the plate and serve. So you can see, with a little bit of time, the fava has actually thickened, and this makes the perfect base for this dish. So thick and velvety. All the fava on top, spread it out so you can give it a bit of a nice presentation. And then we place our delicious char-grilled octopus right on top. Let's add a few more juices right on top. Wow. And to finish off, we're just going to place a few slices of onion on top, and of course, a few capers just around on top of the fava, as you would traditionally enjoy it. And you can't have octopus without a little ouzo. So we've got the creamy fava, the char-grilled octopus, the fresh marinade. Make sure I get plenty of fava on there as well, and some fresh onion. Now we're in Greece. Viva!